holy cow, before you know it, you see this, your code gets longer and longer, and this is really common to see this sort of pattern. So it's statically linked, which uses more memory, but solves lots of versioning issues. It has some things that you might not expect. So there's a built-in formatter. So like lots of projects I know, when they commit to version control, they'll say, oh, well, before we commit to version control, we'll pass it through this formatter, so all our code is formatted the same way. So it's just built into the tool. They're opinionated. They say, this is the format, thou shalt use it. And if you don't use this tool and you have open source code, other Go developers will get mad at you because they'll say, oh, I couldn't read it. There was a tab instead of a space. So when Go was pre 1.0, they had this problem of, we want some early adopters to use it, but we're going to be breaking stuff. So they came up with the go fix command, which, because it's a statically typed language, actually upgrades. As a new version comes out and they say, oh, well, we renamed this function or whatever, you can run that in your program and it will actually upgrade you to the new version. There's limitations, right? It's not magic, but it's kind of cool. This is one of those things that's beautiful that everyone should have, or every language should have. It has built-in version control support. So if you have dependencies, you can rip them off of GitHub or Bitbucket or any Git repository. You just say go get, right? And then URL, github.com/user/project, and boom, you pull that in as a dependency in your project. Really slick. I sort of mentioned this, but it has pointers, but no pointer arithmetic. So if you want to write your own virtual machine, maybe not the best choice, right? Maybe you do want to go down to C. But if you're writing servers, or you're writing servers that have to handle things concurrently, great choice. We already looked at multiple return values. One thing that I didn't mention, because it's not really important to the code sample, but the case of variable